So the choice activity is about the simplest way that you can get students to do some interaction with your page. It's really easy to set up and can be nice for just a quick poll of your students to get some feedback or to have them basically vote for something. So to do a choice, you're going to turn editing on, as always, and then you'll see add an activity. Let's go ahead and add an activity, and then right there, choice. So choice name, that's the link the students will see. The choice text is some more information. So you put your question down, and then down here are the options. And there are 5 options by default. You can fill in just 2 or 3, or you can keep adding more and more by clicking this button down here. So here we'd say country music. So if I wanted more, I could add 3, or I could just leave it at 4. There are lots of options. The one that you're probably most interested in is should students see the results. So you can either say don't, which is the default, and then you can check the results and report back to the class. Or you can say after the students have voted, they can see, or they can always see even before they vote. Basically, those are some of your options. If you do say students can choose to see, you can also have another layer of choice. Should students' names be associated with your choice, or should you just see totals? So anonymous results will just show you the totals, not the names of each person who did it. And then save and display. And this is what students will see. They'll say, okay, here's my options. If I click on, let's say, rock, save my choice. Then, because it is anonymous, I just see, okay, here's the option. There's a bar showing one choice for rock. If I want to change that to see what it looks like, I can go out and click the pencil, or if I'm logged in as a teacher, I'll see update always in the upper right hand corner. So I'm going to just click that update button and change from anonymous to showing names. And now you can see the totals and then who has selected that. So depending on the choice, you want it anonymous or you want students to be able to see. So it's a great way to get students to get onto your web page, do a little participation without maybe necessarily having to do a lot of posting like you would in a forum. So check out choice. There's one more use of choice, which is to allow students to select groups. On this one here where it says limit the number of responses allowed, and if you ever wonder what that means, of course you click the help and it'll tell you. By default there's no limit. However, if you turn this on, then you can say, instead of being a vote, you could say choose your group. And then if the groups were going to study each type of music and the groups were groups of 4, then only 4 students could sign up for the hip hop group or the rock group. And here, as you can see, it says limit 4, taken 1, so 3 more people can join my rock group and we can work on our rock project together. So it's a nice way to switch up group choice as well. All right, that's it for the choice.